No, where the crab is coming out of his shell. This time we get to record it.
Does this mean it's like killable? Is it in a vulnerable state? Why is it leaving the thing?
Because, oh my gosh, you already forgot.
It's so shitting that runs in the room.
Before it hardens again, we have to shed again.
So is this what the security toilets do in episode 78?
You don't even remember it, do
I remember
you?
episode 78. It's where they get out of the normal toilet self and they become just head.
No, Ryan, you don't remember. The time that we saw one crawl out. It was much smaller than this one, wasn't it? It was a fat boy. Need help?
I can like peel off this shell for it.
No, he does it by himself.
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah.
I like his pattern design. We should have stayed in it.
No, he has the same pattern design.
Can we take him home?
No, but we can take the shell home.
Okay, you
If it
take that.
doesn't, if it doesn't crumble again. We took the last one home and then it crumbled. Became the dust.
That is unfortunate.
Oh, there.
So does this mean his new like skin is like sensitive?
It's soft.
Oh.
No,
You didn't even know what I was gonna ask.
no, you are not going to hurt him. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, little bro, you got this.
But you need to get out, man. Can't stay in there. There. No, we are. There. There, he's out. He's out.
Oh, no. I'm gonna touch it. He has pictures. I'm scared.
Touch it. Not dead.
It is soft.
Oh yeah, he is so soft, bro. You can like kill him. I mean, sorry, squeeze him. Which will kill him, but
There.
so they just grow like a separate skeleton.
No, they're exoskeleton creatures.
So he has no skeleton.
No, he does. It's on
Wait.
the outside. The shell is the skeleton.
Oh, I got scared. I pinched myself and I got scared.
All his legs are up, right?
Yeah, move the shell out of the way.
No, his eyes are still there.
Hello, bro.
Hopefully it didn't cause any problems for him.
Alright, can I throw the shell away? Because I want to see it fly.
No, Ryan.
You're taking
Keep
it.